Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play Dolphin games on your old ass phones. For example, this one from 2010. Nah, psych. So I just got a new controller because people have been bugging me about it for like the longest time. It's the brand Beboncool. I have their older model here. Not my favorite style because the phone, if your phone's heavier, it kind of offsets everything, and it'll end up, here I'll show you guys. So you put it in like that, latches over your phone, and a lot of the weight is kind of, it doesn't feel centered, so it's not nice to play. And if you lean too forward, it will fall forward your phone, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. It is a cheaper option. It's $20, but their newer model, and it's pretty cool. It looks like a PSP, and it's telescopic. It stretches out like this, so it can fit phones up to 6.5 inches, and I believe the smallest size is somewhere in the lower 5-inch region. So it goes in just like that. And if your phone's underneath 6.5 inches, you should be able to still wear your case on your phone. And it turns on over here on the side, and it has two modes. It has a mode that you would put it in to play like regular Android games. So you would just press the Android button right here. If you want to put it in like X input mode for like emulators, you would hit the Android logo and X up here. And then right over here, you'll see it switch to HID, which it's the same thing. So I'll show you guys that. But first, we gotta check to see if it's connected Bluetooth. So you go over to Bluetooth. There it is, BBC Q75. You click that and connect. All right, it's already connected. And we'll head over to play one of the games. So you can already see, well, you can't really see well there, but I'll go back to main screen. Can you see? Look at, no input lag at all. Alright, let's try Zelda. I believe I already have this set up, so let's see. And it's pretty cool. I like it. It feels well made. The joysticks are sturdy. You got pretty much all the buttons you need. Yep, it's working. It is cool. And I'm filming this with my Galaxy S4. Yeah, I need to get a camera pronto. Because people do not like when I'm playing it and my fingers are over the screen, so we'll see what I can. Is it loading or what? Hold on. There we go. So I'm moving the camera. No lag. I'll show you guys how I mapped the buttons in a second. Alright, it's playing good. And then I paired it to this button for the start. Alright, so I'll show you guys how I actually map the buttons. So you want to click and hold. If you want to do individual games, you click and hold, and you can do all your separate settings for each game. So you click on GameCube input. We'll click on here. Make sure all the other controllers are just disabled, just so no problems happen. So you go to emulate and you click on that. You click on the button you want to map to your controller. So this is the A button. I'm going to click A on my thing, on my controller, and it'll say button 96 for my controller. It may say something else for yours, I'm not entirely sure. So let me go to B, you click your B, like just to show you that it'll change. Here, I'll pair this B to a different button on here. So we'll do the X, and you'll watch, it'll be a different number button. See, now it says button 99. Alright, so I'm going to put it back to what I had it. Alright, see, button 97. And you just keep going through. You know, I paired my start button to the edit button right here. You can put it to whatever you want. You just keep going on down, and just control stick, you click that, and you move it up. And then left, right, down, so on. And you keep going, and then you go up here, click this, and save. And that's all you gotta do, and then you're ready to go. So that's that controller. And then if you don't want to, if you already have a controller at home, like if you have a console, the best controller would be to use an Xbox controller, because it supports X input. But if you have a PlayStation 4, you can use a PlayStation 4 controller, but there's gonna be some lag, definitely, if you're just gonna connect over Bluetooth. That's why I recommend you using a USB-C cable. But you're gonna need, which, if you got my phone and last couple phones, I believe they all came with a USB-C to USB-A adapters. So you would plug that little stub, the little adapter into here, and this would plug in the back of it. You plug in your controller, and then you go to Bluetooth, and you connect it that way. So that way you don't have any lag issues. So it also came with some instructions for if you wanted to play it with like a regular Android game. So it says to download a certain app that'll help you. And there's like a lot of presets. I haven't tried it yet, but from what I've heard, it works pretty well. So the app is called Shooting Plus V3, and there's two versions. There's an Android version, and it's also on the Apple whatever app store. So there's some more of it. There's some frequently asked questions. So it says like some of the games, for example. Yeah, I need a better camera, guys. Using my Galaxy S4 is not the greatest. I think it's gonna focus. Alright guys, that's all I got. See you in the next one.